It's a 2017 Nissan Rogue, the SV, the 2.5 liter. We're about to do the motor mounts on this vehicle. And the motor mounts that we're about to replace, we call it a dog bone. This right here. We're about to replace that. All right, so grab your drink, get your popcorn, sit down, and watch me do work. Hit that subscribe button. I'm showing you where I put the jack, just to jack the motor up a little bit. I'm not putting a lot on it. You see where I put that board? And I got it on the end of the oil pan. People will say don't do that, but I'm not jacking the whole motor up. The other motor mount will be on it to support. I'm not taking the whole other motor mount off. I will show you up top what I'm talking about. You can put it right there by the transmission also, right here, but I'm gonna put it right here. And just jack it up until you start seeing the engine moving up a little bit, and then you stop. Because what we're trying to do, we're just trying to lift it up a little bit and take the bolts out so the motor won't move or it won't drop a lot, to put the bolts back in. All right, let's get back on the top. I also got the cars on ramps, so you might have to put yours on jack stands, but mine is on ramps. All right. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, I want you to look at this engine. We don't need to jack it up a lot. We just need to get it up a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen this bolt, and then we're gonna loosen that bolt. All right. But what I got is a swivel. See, this is a swivel. It's an 18 millimeter. We're about to take out this dog bone. All right. Okay. That one is out. And we're going to get this one on the side. Okay. You see that? You see how easy it slides out? That to show you that there are no tension on that bolt. No tension. So what I'm about to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use something else to take this out, because this is going to get jammed up on the side. So you can get your 18 ratchet, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an adapter in this 1/2 inch right here, and I'm going to use something else to take it out. Then I'm going to use this to take it out. See, I'll switch from a 1/2 inch. All right. So now I'm going to go and take it out like this. See? See that? And the reason why I'm showing you this, the bolt is out, but the motor is still here. See that? That's what you want to do. You don't want to jack the motor up a lot. You just want to take this out so that the motor, see that? The motor did not even move. You got to make sure it's even across. All right? Now get your new one right here. This is your new one. And we're about to put it in. Make sure that you notice how this one came out. You got to put it back in the same way. If you flip it over, see that? It's different on that side. It's flat. See that? It don't have no edge out. The edge out needs to be on this side. The flat piece needs to be on the inside. See this? It's flat. That needs to be on the inside. This This part that bulge out, see it? That need to go on the outside where the bolt goes through. Okay? So pay attention to that. Get your new motor mount. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in here first. Right up in here. And we're gonna catch that bolt. This bolt, the longer bolt, goes in here. The longer bolt goes in here. Okay? Then you get the other shorter bolt and you start this bolt on this side. Like I tell you, you gotta get the motor just right, jacked up, so you won't have no issue. See that? Now we're about to tighten these bolts. I'm gonna use this to start mine and tighten it. I'm gonna come back and tighten that up. We're gonna do the same up here with this one. And the reason why you gotta use a swivel, you won't be able to get onto this plastic. You can also use an 18-inch ratchet to keep on turning it. It's kind of tricky in that little position. I'm gonna finish it up with a ratchet wrench. This. I will leave these in the description. You could get them on Amazon, stuff like that. I'm gonna leave the parts in the description and also this ratchet wrench. I can put it back down with that drill. I will. But I'm just showing you, if you don't have a drill, you could also use this. It takes a little time longer, but you still do the same thing. All right? I'm just showing you that. I'm just showing it to you. And you see the good thing about this wrench, it's got a, see that side? It's not a ratchet. That side is not a ratchet. So on this side here, on this one, I could use this and tighten that bolt right here, just like that. That's tight enough. Okay, so now we're gonna finish and tighten this one up. Let me see if that swivel can get in there now. Now I'm gonna use that same ratchet wrench to tighten this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and snug it. Okay, now I'm gonna flip it over and use this side so I can tighten it up. That should be it. That's it right there. That's the end of this video. That's the way how you replace your dog bone motor mounts. It's on the passenger side of your vehicle. It also have another motor mount right here. See right here? This is another motor mount, but I'm not replacing that. I'm just replacing this one. All right, so hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell a friend. DIY down now, again repair. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Big up to the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John, Keyword Access. So St. Croix, my island. Also, before you leave, release the jack from below the vehicle. All right, and that will be the end of the video.